Madhavaneni Raghunandan Rao is an Indian politician from Telangana state is an MLA from Dubbaka. He is known to be a strong supporter of Telangana state ideology. He is a lawyer by profession. He hails from Medak District. State Party Secretary and MLA of Bharatiya Janata Party Telangana and currently member of Legislative Assembly from Dubbak. Raghunandan Rao was born at Siddipet to M. Bhagavanatha Rao. He did his BSc at Siddipet Degree College, completed LLB from Osmania University, Hyderabad, B.Ed from Karnataka University, P.G. Dip. Human Rights from Central University of Hyderabad. After education got relocated from Siddipet to Patancheru, an industrial area in the year 1991, and there joined in a reputed Telugu daily newspaper Anadu as a news contributor for a period of 5 years. Subsequently enrolled as an advocate in the Bar Association of High Court of Andhra Pradesh. He started his career as a lawyer. He is well known for handling Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi's bail petition. Rao started his political career as a Telangana Rashtra Samithi member. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.